Nothing like putting a coat on in Arizona. Oh, you fucking dirty cocksucker. Well, today on Kruesi Originals, we're doing something a little different. I'm going to put fiberglass fenders on the front of my war wagon here. I've never done anything like this before. I'm a little intimidated. We'll see how it goes. I need more tools. I also don't have a clue what I'm doing. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos this morning. Hoping for the best. I know you gotta drill all these spot webs out and cut a bunch of shit, so I'm gonna start drilling and cutting a bunch of shit. I'm gonna drag out the grinder and do a bunch of cutting. Probably watch some more YouTube videos before I do some cutting. Definitely intimidating cutting the fenders off of your truck. It's a nice truck. I don't really want to cut the fenders off of it, but sometimes that's what you got to do when you want to do some cool shit. Cut a hole right inside of it and then get to some standoffs in here so I can pull the back half of it out. So I got everything cut off. The fender's kind of mocked up. I got the holes marked. I'm going to drill out the fender. I'm just kind of taking out some more of this inner shit that's showing and give myself some more clearance. And I'm going to get a wet microfiber and clean all the dirt out of this and then clean it with Windex, get it cleaned up really good. I'm going to paint all this shit underneath here nice and black, make it look good, and then bolt the fender up and I'm done with one side. Well, yo, here's one down. She's bolted up. I got to do a little trimming down on the inside to clear the tire a little bit better, but it's done. It bolts up really nice. It actually fit very well after a little bit of modifications, things like that with fiberglass, covered in fiberglass. We're going to flip it around and do the other side. I'm not going to film that because you already saw this shit. It is what it is. We'll get back to you when it's all done. Got to drive it to the car wash. I'm kind of scared. I don't know how fiberglass holds up with that. Guess I'm not done yet. That's it. Thanks to Tyler Davenport at CarTech for hooking it up with the glass fenders, like he hooks up all the off-road shit on my truck. The fenders fit extremely nice. It was easy. Probably took me like 3 hours to do this shit, mount them and all that stuff. Never done it before. I did work my ass off. That's that. This this is my truck. It's my war wagon. 2012 Chevy Silverado, 4.8 liter. I know, I got a big turbo kit sitting for it at my house, but I don't think I'm gonna do that either now. But it's got a 4L80 tranny swap with a Circle D 2-stage 3000 stall torque converter, 456 gears, Yukon locker in the rear. It's got short headers with straight pipe to an X pipe down to Magnaflows in the back. No cats. It's tuned by All Out Tuning, fully tuned. Cat deleted all that f***ing jive. Dirty B arms, CST spindles, I think they're called. King 3.0 extended travels in the front. Devers U87s in the rear, and Dever reservoirs or King reservoirs in the rear. I built the bumper. Still needs to be finished. It's like a work in progress. It's got a fucking racing steering wheel in it. I just got a gate shifter for it. I'm gonna hook that shit up. I'm gonna build a center console eventually, hand brake it. And I think I got a little bit of a motor noise, so I might buy a 6.0 bottom end and build a nasty 6.0 here at the shop, and then have old Timmy put it in for me probably. It's my war wagon. This is my favorite thing I own. Kruesi Originals. Like, subscribe, stay posted. I'll probably do more truck shit whenever I feel like doing truck shit. Now that it's not so hot, I can work outside and do more truck shit. So like, subscribe, check us out, KruesiOriginals.com. Peace.